Hello, I'm Jackie Goddard from Power to Speak, and I would like to speak to you today about units of Jackie. What is a unit of Jackie? Sounds a little bit weird, I know, but bear with me. This is really the 3 units that make up a coaching program with me to make you an impactful, inspiring and influential speaker. So unit 1 is all about the story. Telling your story. So this is the unit that really explores what it is in your personal brand that you need to be sharing. So if you are having trouble defining or articulating your personal brand story, then this is a great unit for you. If you've been asked to speak at an industry conference and you're not sure whether the stories and experiences you have are relevant to that particular audience, this is where we really dig down and find out why you're doing what you're doing and why it's important to your audience. So unit 1 is all about the brief. What have you been asked to do? If it's a conference, what is the organizer expecting of you? What time do you have? What kind of space do you have? Audience size? And then we move on to the audience. Who are they? Why should they care about what it is that you're talking about? Find out the demographic. What age are they? What's their backgrounds? Think about them as human beings. Who are they? Then we move on to what's the point? There has to be a point in every talk that you give. What is the point? What's the outcome that you'd like for yourself and for your audience? Is your purpose being there to sell a product, a service? And what would you like your audience to take away? What is the point of your talk? And then it's all about your story. Why you? Why are you credible enough that this audience would want to listen to you? What's your background? Why do you do what you do? Why do you love and have a passion for what you do? What's your background? What were you playing as a child? You know, what excites you? Those are your stories. So that's unit 1. It's about getting to the really discovering those stories that make you unique and make you relevant to that audience. Unit 2 is all about the flow. How are you going to get your audience from the ordinary world right the way through to when they leave in the extraordinary world, having heard you speak? So this is where we talk about your introduction. How are you going to hook them in? How are you going to get them leaning in right from the beginning? What are the points that you really need to hit? The important things that you need your audience to know? And how do you get from one to the other in an easy and flowing way so that your audience understand and you take them on that journey with you into the extraordinary world. So this is about your what, your why, your how, all of those stories that are relevant and making sure that you hit the points on the way through. So this unit 2, is all about the flow of your talk and how you transition from one subject, one topic, one story to the next, so that you are comfortable and confident with that content. Then unit 3 is all about you. How do you sound and how do you look? Let's get you performance ready. So this is about your breath. So whether it's breathing for your nerves to get your butterflies in formation to really calm yourself down and get you focused before you step onto the stage. This is about getting you warmed up and getting you flexible so that you're not stiff as a board and carrying lots of tension when you get onto that stage. This is about vocal variety. How do you sound? How is your voice? How do you support your voice with your breath? This is about pitch and tone and articulation and diction. This is about how you stand on stage, how you show up, how you present yourself, your body language, what comes across to the audience when they see you standing on the stage. So that's unit 3, is all about the performance and getting you performance ready. Now it might be that you've already sorted out the story, you just need help with the flow and the performance. It might be that you don't have the story but you are confident as a performer. So you just need the 1 unit. So these are mix and match. Each unit of Jackie can be mixed and matched with the next. So you can buy 1 or you can have all 3. It's completely up to you. If you'd like 1 unit, that's £480. If you'd like 2 units, that's £900. And if you'd like all 3, that's £1,320. And each unit consists of 2 90-minute sessions with me, one-to-one, on Zoom or in person, depending on where you are in the world. if you would like to be that inspiring, impactful and influential speaker, if you have a message or a personal brand story that you really want to share with your audience, if you've got a talk coming up that you need to prepare for, come and find me. Let's have a chat about how we can work together. And I hope a unit of Jackie is just what you need.